Welcome back. If you've noticed people reposting your posts or reels on Instagram and you'd rather keep your content under your control, there's a new update you'll want to check out, especially if you're using Instagram on your PC. Instagram has quietly added an option that lets you stop others from reposting your content. And the good news is, it only takes a few clicks to turn it off. Let's walk through it step by step. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Once it loads, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see the three-line menu icon. Click on that. A small menu will pop up. From there, select Settings. This will take you into your main account settings where all the customization options are. Next, scroll until you find the section labeled Sharing and Reuse. Click on it. This is where Instagram keeps all the controls related to how your content is shared by others. Now here's the important part. Inside this section, you'll see an option that allows others to repost your posts and reels. By default, this might be turned on, meaning people can easily share your content to their own profiles. To stop that, simply toggle off the option for reposts on posts and reels.